हाँ जी, गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स। हाँ जी, सीबीएसई बोर्ड वाले तैयार हो रिजल्ट वास्ते? रिजल्ट आने वाला ਤੁਹਾਡਾ। चलो एनीवे कोई गल नहीं, ब्रह्मजोत आंदा आन दिओ बेटे, वो हजे घंटा डेढ़ घंटा साइट नहीं खुलनी। सो एनीवे बेटे, ਆਪਾਂ इन द मीन टाइम ਆਪਾਂ स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਐਂਜ਼ਾਇਟੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਦੂਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਨੂੰ ਡਾਇਵਰਟ ਕਰਨਾ। हाँ आया नहीं गुरसाहिल, बिल्कुल ठीक है, आया नहीं। चलो सो 5th एंड 6th क्वेश्चन है बेटे जो वन स्टूडेंट्स ने किया है डिस्कस करने दी। The pth, qth and rth and s terms of an AP. They are in GP. Now that means so prove that P minus Q, Q minus R and R minus S are in GP. Okay ji, is this clear? Okay. Now so note करो बेटे, जिसना ਆਪਾਂ ਕੰਪੋਨੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਵਾਈਡਡ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, ਸੋ ਰੇਸ਼ੀਓ ਐਂਡ ਪ੍ਰੋਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਟੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਨੋਟ ਡਾਊਨ ਕਰੋ। ਸੋ ਇਫ a over b is equal to c over d is equal to e over f, so that means a minus c over b minus d is equal to c minus e over d minus f. So I can verify you this. You can see here 2 by 4 is equal to, let's say, 3 by 6 is equal to, let's say, 7 by 14. They all are having the same ratio, that is half. 2 minus 3 over 4 minus 6 is equal to 3 minus 7 over 6 minus 14. That is minus 1 over minus 2 is equal to minus 4 over minus 8. That is half is equal to half. बट ये प्रॉपर्टीज ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਪ ਦੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਯੂਜ਼ਫੁਲ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਮਤਲਬ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਸੇ ਲਿਮਿਟਡ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਪ ਦੇ, ਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖੋ। ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਗਿਵਨ ਹੇਅਰ, ਆ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਟੀ ਨੋਟ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇੰਪਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਇੰਪਲਾਈਜ਼ TQ minus TR over TP minus TQ is equal to TR minus TS upon TQ minus TR. चेक करना बेटे, ठीक है जी, इज दैट क्लियर? सो एग्जैक्टली जो मैं लिखा सी उस चीज में थे इंप्लीमेंट करता, इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ TQ फ्रॉम हियर A plus Q minus 1 into D minus TR. TR is, so that is your TQ minus TR. So TR is minus A minus R minus 1 into D upon TP. That is your A plus P minus 1 into D minus TQ. A minus Q minus 1 into D is equal to TR. A plus R minus 1 into D minus A minus S minus 1 into D upon TQ. A plus Q minus 1 into D minus A minus R minus 1 into D. So nu bete apa apply karta. Now so this will cancel. From these two terms you can take D common, it is Q minus R. From these two terms when you take D common, it is P minus Q. This is D common, it is R minus S upon D common, it is Q minus R. So you can see here Q minus R over P minus Q is equal to R minus S over Q minus R, which clearly shows that P minus Q, Q minus R and R minus S are in GP here. So note कर लो बेटे, आपा please आपा कम कर दें, that will be much better. So please note down this बेटा। Somebody is having problem in question number 4. Brahmjot bete ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ question ਕੱਲ ਕਲਾਸ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ। ओके बेटे ओके देवनीत 6 करते हैं बेटे, हुणे करते हैं आप 6 क्वेश्चन। आई एम डूइंग इट बेटे। an minus 2 an minus 1 an, these are the terms of a gp. In a finite gp, the product of the terms equidistant from the beginning and the end is always same and is equal to product of the first and the last term. Okay bete, product of second term and second last term ਆਪਾਂ ਏਪੀ ਚ ਵੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਬੇਟੇ, ਲੈਗਿੰਗ। Okay bete, okay now, so product of the terms equidistant from the beginning and end, second term from the beginning, second term from the end, another product, can I say that it is a2 is a into r, an minus 1 is a into r raised to power n minus 2, so their product is a square into r raised to power n minus 1. As the side is not visible. Okay bete, so product of the second term from the beginning and second term from the end is equal to a into r into a into r raised to power n minus 2, which is a square into r raised to power n minus 1. Is that clear? Now, third term from the beginning, third term from the end, a3 into an minus 2. The value of a3 is a into r square. Value of an minus 2 is a into r raised to power n minus 2 minus 1. So that is a into r square, a into r raised to power n minus 3, which is your a square into r raised to power n minus 1. And what we have to prove here is equal to product of the first term and the last term. So first term is a1, last term is an, which is your a into r raised to power n minus 1, which is a square into r raised to power n minus 1. So you can see that all three are equal here. So please note down this beta. Note kar lo beta. ठीक है जी, is this clear to all of you? So you can see here product of the terms equidistant from the beginning and end is same and is equal to product of the first term and the last term. So now the next question beta, that is your Brahmjot third question. Okay. Third is fourth question. Now fourth question is sum of three numbers in GP is 21. A plus AR square is equal to 21. And the sum of their squares, A square plus A square R square plus A square R4 is equal to, that is 189. Now sir, I have solved question 4, no need to do. Is it okay beta? Can we move to the next topic of GP then? Okay. Now, in question 4, there are two series. Okay, bete, that's fine. So, ho gaya na ji, second, fourth question. Can we move to the next? Now, next is to find the sum of n terms of a GP. To find the sum of n terms of a GP. Right, bete, right? Okay. Okay, it's okay. Now, to find the sum of n terms of a GP. So let Sn is equal to a plus ar square plus a into r raised to power n minus 1. So this is your series. Sequence and series ਸਾਨੂੰ meaning पता लग गया बेटे. Now this is your series. Sequence means it is written by putting commas in between the terms, then it is sequence. When it is written with the plus or minus sign, that means addition or subtraction, then it is your series. Now we have to find the sum of n terms of a GP. ध्यान नाल सुनना बेटे. Whenever GP is involved, GP series is involved, and we have to find the sum. What to do and how can we find? Multiplying the above with the common ratio R. Always ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ common ratio ਨਾਲ multiply ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ. ਦੇਖਣਾ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ. ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ R into Sn. ਹੁਣ ਜਦੋਂ multiply ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, A ਨੂੰ multiply ਕਰੋਗੇ R ਨਾਲ, you will get AR. Right at this place, not at this place. AR. When you multiply this with R, you will get AR square. And when you multiply this with R, you will get A into R raised to power n. इस तो पहला टर्म की सी a into r raised to power n minus 2. जब इन्हों r ना मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, it is a into r raised to power n minus 1. चेक कर लो, तो समझ लगी बेटे. लगता है CBSE बोर्ड वाले स्टूडेंट्स तो बेटे बिजी हो गए in their result. Anyway, is that clear बेटे? So subtract these two series, minus 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 minus. So this will cancel, this will cancel, this will cancel, this will cancel. So from here you take Sn common. 1 minus r is equal to a minus a into r raised to power n, which is your a into 1 minus r raised to power n. So Sn into 1 minus r. So this implies Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r raised to power n over 1 minus r. So this is the formula which we are going to use to find the sum of n terms of a GP. So please note down this formula beta. Note kar lo. हाँ जी, नोट कर ले बेटे. Okay. So this way you can find the sum to n terms of a GP. Further,